This hairstyle should take you at most 1 hour to recreate. So I'm going to show you this gorgeous half up, half down crochet hairstyle. So first things first, we're going to start by prepping our hair. So the extension that I'm using, it's called Super Meche and it is by Darling. Okay, so right about now, I'm just cutting the hair into two because I didn't want again the hair to be like a super long. Okay, and then once I'm done, I'll take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to use it to, you know, like comb the hair just to get rid of the flyaways and stuff like that. So hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Jena Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe, stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. So love, for this hairstyle, you want to start by parting your hair from ear to ear. Okay, at the front part of your hair, that is, and then you'll just go ahead and do some simple basic cornrows the way I did. So I did like a 6 big cornrows at the back part of my hair, and right about now I'm just installing this crochet hair. And just like I've mentioned earlier, the name of the hair is Super Meche and it is by Darling. So you can get this hair at any local beauty store near you, and it is very affordable. It's retailing between 160 to 200 Kenya shillings, again depending on the beauty store. Okay, so I bought 2 packs of this, you know, hair, but I didn't get to finish the whole 2 packs. So 1 pack is just more than enough, especially if you're going for this same exact hairstyle. 1 pack should be enough. So loves, to install this hairstyle, you'll need to have your crochet hook or crochet needle, whichever you want to call it. Okay, so I will just pass it underneath my cornrow just like you can see in the video, and then after attaching my crochet hair and pulling it out, I'm going to knot it 2 times. Okay, remember it's a synthetic hair, so knotting it 2 times will have your hair secured and it won't come out. Okay, okay guys, so just to remind you, if you have watched this video till this very point and you enjoy watching hair tutorials and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. Okay, and help me share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. Moving on to the next step, we're going to slick the front part of the hair. Okay, so I'm going to just take my elastic band. We're going to secure the back part of the hair just to, get it out of the way. Okay, so I'll be using Sofnfree Gel to slick the front part of my hair, just like you guys can see in the video. And just like I've normally mentioned, if you're not new here, you know that this is like I'm a go-to styling gel anytime I want to slick down my hair. Okay, so and that is what we are using again for today's hairstyle. But just like I normally mention, you can always use the styling gel of your choice. You don't necessarily have to use this particular one. Okay, so right about now I'm just securing my hair using my hair tie, and then after which I'll take my hair scarf. I'm going to wrap my hair and leave it to dry just for some couple of minutes, and then we're going to move on to the last step. So love, this is how my hair is looking like, and I am in love with how everything turned out. So right about now I'm just attaching the same extension, okay, onto my natural hair band, and then after which I'll just go ahead and flip it over, and then I will grab a piece of this extension and use it to secure our ponytail, because you don't want anything to move. Okay, you want your hair to be nice and secured. And that is just about it, guys, on how I got to achieve this half up half down situation. And I'm hoping that you have learned a thing or two, and if you are here, I believe that you have found this tutorial helpful. So be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching this tutorial, and help me share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will appreciate all your support. So guys, this was literally it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal.